Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first video of the new year. Happy 2021. I know we're kind of off to a rough start already, but I'm just like hoping and praying we can still make this a good year because I feel like we all need it, you know, so we'll see. I wanted to make my first video of the new year to be something kind of like organizational, inspiration, that kind of theme. I don't really know what I'm saying, but you guys know what I mean. I put a little question and answer up on my Instagram asking you what one of your goals were. And a lot of you guys actually said you wanted to get more organized. Sorry, my hands, I'm just like a hand talker, it's so bad. A lot of your goals were to get more organized. And I feel like that's a common theme. We all want to be more organized in the new year. And I'm a Virgo, so I feel like who better to help you than me, you know? So I love to be organized. I feel like it puts you at ease when the things you can control in this life are organized. You know, we can't control anything really, but you can control how organized your closet is. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I think this will definitely give you guys some ideas if you guys have like a medium to small size closet like me. I do not have a drop dead gorgeous walk-in lit up closet. It's very average. So I think you guys can get inspired by it. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a lot of like 2021 like inspiration, not inspiration, that sounds really cringy, but like sharing just like the process of me trying to, you know, have some healthy habits in 2021 and just maintain them. I'm just documenting everything on my story, so make sure you follow me. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get into the tour. Ellie's here to watch. Welcome to my closet. So one of the newer updates is that I put a light at the top of the closet. It's from Ikea and it has 2 levels. It's just absolutely fabulous, because an issue before is that it would be so dark right here, and this is kind of just like where clothes would go to die because I wouldn't see them. So now the whole closet is lit up. It's just like a little light strip like that, like I said, from Ikea. So the light will be linked below. I'll kind of step back so you guys can see it a little bit better. That's the full view of the closet. Like I said, it's like a medium size. It's not huge, it's not a walk-in, but we make it work. And on this side over here, I have my robe hanging, and this is just absolutely essential for me because I put my robe on every single morning. I'm gonna move this for the video just cause it's kind of in the way, but wanted to show you guys it's where I keep it. This little thing is from probably TJ Maxx or Home Goods or something like that. And this is also the switch for the light in the closet. So first things first, I think we should probably talk about my hangers. I went with velvet gray hangers. I think they look the cleanest and they take up the least amount of space. And it's also great because clothes do not slip off of them because of the material. And you know, it just looks great too. You can get whatever color. I got them on Amazon. They have them in, I think like black, gray, pink. I've seen a bunch, but I went with the gray. Obviously, that's my vibe. So the system I have for my clothes is that I color coordinate. Obviously you can see. I used to do like t-shirts, dresses, sweaters, that kind of thing. And now I just do that within the color, and I just find that it's easier to get the pieces you need, pull things out, and just keep it organized. So I have tank tops, t-shirts, dresses, sweaters, and like miscellaneous things, and so on for all of the colors. So because I want it to be visually appealing, I have my 2 favorite colors on display. Not my favorite colors, but just the most neutral things I wear most probably. And then as it gets into here, it's like more colors. It's not super aesthetic, so we keep this on display. But while we're on the topic of hangers, I do keep my spare ones on this side. You will see after. I do want to mention that I always put a spare hanger after I take a piece of clothing off of it in the little designated section. I never have just like random hangers all throughout my closet, so that I always know where they are. I never have to go searching for one. I feel like that also looks messy. It takes up space that it doesn't really need to. I know that might seem really simple, but it does help you stay a little bit more organized. So that's pretty much it for like my clothes. I will show you more on that side once we get there. But while we are here, I want to show you guys my jewelry organizer. So this thing is probably one of my favorite purchases from Amazon, and that's because I can tuck it away and there's no clutter. I really don't like to keep like my jewelry on display on my vanity. I know there's like a lot of like little trees that you can hang all your necklaces on. I just don't like extra stuff like that. I feel like it's just kind of an eyesore. So the fact that I can tuck this away in my closet and pull it out when I need it really helps. And I feel like I can also store more on it because it also has a backside. And over on this one, I keep kind of just stuff I'm not really wearing at the moment. The other side is all my necklaces that I wear all the time. Here is just kind of like spare stuff that I'm not really getting a lot of use out of, but I don't want to get rid of it. So really love this. It was like, I think like $12.99 from Amazon. Such a good find. So moving on up, I have these shelves. They're just like basic wire shelves. I probably could have like just completely redone these and put in new shelves in my closet, but that was just a bit more of a project than I was wanting to do. This is more of a DIY situation. I just have my shoes that I'm just kind of currently loving on here, things for the season. I have boots, I have my sneakers I wear all the time. Maybe I put something new up here. And on these shelves I have these shelf inserts. It was just a roll that I got on Amazon, and I cut it to the dimensions of each shelf. And the reason I did that is because someone commented on one of my videos where I was showing my closet, and they said that every single time I put my shoes on these shelves, I was just knocking dirt onto my clothes. And it basically haunted me ever since I heard that. So I finally did something about it, and now I can sleep a little bit better at night. Up here I just have some storage bins. These are from either Target or Ikea. You can get these at so many different places. Up in here I have denim shorts because I started to run out of space in this, in this dresser here. And then this one right here is kind of like miscellaneous. I think I have swimsuits in there. Also some like tote bags, overnight bags. Those are really affordable if you guys are interested. But before we move on, I do have one tip that I meant to share for the clothes. Whenever I buy something new, I always put it at the front of my closet so that when I come in here trying to find something to wear, that's there for some inspiration or for me to wear. So it's just a little tip. If you guys ever find things in your closet with tags on them still and you're like, why did I not wear this? It's brand new. I feel like that's something that will really help you out. Let me know if you try it. But moving on down, I have my shoes, and it's kind of hard to see because of all my clothes, but those shoe racks are from Amazon. They're actually really nice 3-tier wire shoe racks, and this is actually 2 of them. So I bought 2 because I wouldn't say I have a ton of shoes, but I have a decent amount and not a whole lot of room for them. So you can fit 9 shoes comfortably on the racks, but on this one, I have some more than 9 just because you can't really see it. There's a lot of sandals on there, so more fit than just that. But this one I have it looking all pretty and perfect like that. And then the ones at the bottom are just kind of my like grab and go shoes. Those are my workout shoes. Those are like on the go. And then these are just kind of like newer sandals that I didn't want to put back there and just forget about them. So that's kind of the situation there. And then I think that is it for this side. Am I forgetting anything? I have my purses and some more clothes, obviously. So I just recently reorganized this whole situation. I do have a few more purses on the way from Princess Polly. So I'm gonna need to make a little bit more room, but I organized this one to be kind of like bags I don't wear super often. Obviously the top shelf is a little bit further away, so it's more difficult to grab. So I wanted to keep ones that I'm not always wearing up there. And then down here is kind of like my everyday, more typically worn bags. So this is kind of my everyday bag right now because it's something I got for Christmas from my sister. It's like a slouchy, really soft, furry crossbody. It's really cute. So this one you guys have for sure seen if you follow me. It's from the brand Peta and Jane. Got it on Princess Polly. I have the same bag in the gray croc. Those are kind of like my main gals right now. But over here I have just some hats. I have some baseball caps and a beanie. I have more beanies, I think, up in one of those bins. I keep a few of my clips up here just so I can grab them. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. So that's where I keep those clips. And then down here I have more clothes, obviously. I have a lot of coats on this side. This is mainly like my heavy jacket center. I have even more like winter jackets and just like jackets I'm not really wearing in a hall closet, mainly just because I'm in California. I don't usually need a thick puffer jacket or a thick fur jacket very often. I just have the ones that I wear most. And right here I have some jeans, and these are not all of my jeans. These are kind of the ones I'm wearing most. A lot of a Goldie, a lot of Levi's, more of like the mom jean style because that's kind of more my vibe right now. I don't really wear skinny jeans that much. I do keep the rest of my jeans in this drawer right here, and there's a lot of like skinny jeans and just kind of pants I'm not really wearing right now, but I don't want to get rid of them because they're still cute and I might need them for something, you know. I do go through my closet really often. I want to say that. I probably go through it and donate things at least once a month. And then on this side I have some command hooks. They might not be the fanciest, they might not be the prettiest, but they really get the job done. I have a full hook for my masks. Never thought I would have that, but here we are. I have some belts, and that's kind of organized in its own way. And then up here I have my headbands, and you might ask, why the heck do you have headbands hanging on your wall? So I feel that if I have this tucked away in a drawer, I would probably lose it or just forget that it's there. I have them up there so that I can be reminded when I'm planning my outfit, like, hey, you have some headbands. If if you want to throw one on with an outfit, that would be cute. And I do feel like I get more use out of them for that reason. So that's just kind of a little random thing that I do. And then lastly, ending on an anticlimactic note, I had the bottom of my closet. Normally my hamper is right here, but I moved it because I don't think anyone wants to see my dirty clothes. And then I have my laptop and then a laptop stand. And that pretty much wraps up the tour and the organizational tips. I hope this helped you guys out and you're able to take a few tips and tricks from this. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment below. Tell me what you guys think. If you have any requests for the new year, please let me know. And make sure you subscribe before you go. I would love to have you guys here. And yeah, happy new year. Let's make it a good one, hopefully. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Bye.